Oh, wow. Oh, shit. I missed this baby. I'm just getting my phone for the first time. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wow, I can't even believe I missed this thing this much. Okay, let's see who loves me. Zani Gold says, missing you right now. I wish you success in all your future endeavors. The sky will never be your limit. Thank you for the prayers, Zani Gold. Thank you so much. Amen. The sky won't be my limit. Okay, this person says, you're so talented, real assets, not liability. I really admire you. Miss Olajumoke, thank you so much, Olajumoke. Thank you so much for admiring me. Thank you so much for calling me talented. I love you guys so much. Irene, I will miss you so much, but it's okay, I guess. This app helps us. I'm happy you had a good time in the house. My family is so in love with you. May God bless you and continue to prosper you. We miss you already. Wow. Thank you so much, Dida. Her name is Dida. Thank you so much, Dida. I love you too. Joy Esther says, I'm a big fan of yours. I love the way you carried yourself with respect and dignity in the house. You have greater opportunities ahead for you. I hope they come sooner. Thank you for being on my screen. It was my pleasure. It was my pleasure, Joy Esther. Thank you so much. Love you so much too. And thank you for supporting me. I really, really appreciate you guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The messages are just way too much and the love is ridiculous, it's too much. I can't possibly go through all this, but I will take my time and read them all at some point. But thank you guys so much for the love. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you. Love you guys.